set up something in Assam, I am sure that apart from what we can facilitate, the government of India will be more aggressive in that, because government of India's Act East policy, which our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has initiated, is aimed at developing northeastern region where Assam is situated, and to see that growth and industry reach northeast region. So government of India has many policies which are centering promoting industrialization in the northeastern region only. When we go to Assam or when we go to India, we have locational advantage, strategical advantage, and also we have that special dispensation from the government of India that makes Assam a more important destination in our country. Today we have come to the Republic of Korea. We recognize, we respect the Korea's development, Korea's strengths in technology. I'd like to invite all of you, please come to Assam on 25th and 26th February. We are organizing a incentive industrial conclave basically for investment, which will be attended by all India's leading industrial houses. So there will be, Tata is our friend, and there are many other industrial houses who is actively working in Assam. So there will be lot of scopes for collaboration also. I am sure that if any Korean industry wants to work in collaboration with India's industrial houses, we will be like to facilitate that, because India's industry has also a very strong commitment for developing the northeastern region of our country. So any collaboration effort which you looking for, we can facilitate that, and Advantage Assam Conclave will be a very good platform for such discussion, for such engagement. We have already spoken that apart from an investment destination, Assam is also a very important tourist destination in our country. We host 4,000 one-horn rhino in our Kaziranga National Forest. So that is a UNESCO Heritage Forest and National Forest. We have 3 UNESCO Heritage Sites in Assam, and that will be for your relaxation also, that you can at least use some of your time, busy times in Assam, giving little break to your body and mind. So I'd like to invite all of you